So I've recently installed this nice new fire and surround. It looks quite good, except just got a few patches down the edges that just need sorting out with a bit of caulk. So I thought it'd be a good time to go through how I achieve a pro style caulking with a CHEATS method. This method's quite simple. All you need is some 1 hour caulk, a caulk gun, bit of masking tape, and either a pack of baby wipes or a damp cloth. I start off by making sure everything's nice and clean, so it's a quick wipe down with a baby wipe and then wait for it to dry. Up next is taping off. I tape off on both the wall and the fireplace about 2mm wider than the gap itself. Once I'm happy that everything's lined up, I make sure it's all nice and smoothed down with no wrinkles. Next, it's onto the caulk gun. It's important to know how much tension's in your trigger and also where the stop is, just to release the tension when you're done. A much overlooked aspect is to make sure that you've only got a small hole at the bottom. Once you're happy with your gun and your setup, it's onto the caulking itself, and you start at one end, squeeze the trigger nice and slow, trying to keep even pressure, moving the gun up through the line in a nice steady fashion. It's easier said than done, but there again, this is what the tape's for. Now we're back to the baby wipes, or a damp cloth will do, and in one smooth fluid motion wipe off all the excess. This will push all your caulking into the gap. Never let your caulk dry, so as soon as possible, once you're happy, take your tape off. Last thing you want is it to be dry and stick to your tape, because when you pull the tape off, it'll take your caulking with it. Now that we're all done, it's time to just quickly wipe our hands down. This stuff goes everywhere. If you get it on your walls, your carpets or your furniture, it won't come off. And there we go, a nice neat pinstripe of caulking that fills the gap nicely without being everywhere. Thanks for watching.